Well, today I'm gonna do you a pork butt because I need some pulled pork for my next video. So what we're gonna do is start off with a 10-pound butt, an all-natural butt, a little kosher salt, some 4 colored peppercorn medley, and to be a good YouTube barbecue, we gotta have that mustard. Get her shug up, stick her on this pan just to show you how marbled up and awesome my butt is. Chunk the mustard. You don't need it. Get her out of the packet, just dry her off. Now you don't have to trim. I just have a trimming addiction, so I'm gonna take off any hanglies and danglies and shape her up just to fuzz till we get this right here. And I'm gonna hit her pretty heavy with a little salt and a little pepper. Now on this peppercorn medley I have here, with this fresh ground, you don't want to go as heavy as you would with some 16 mesh black pepper, because it could get a little stout on you. So hit it semi-heavy. Sound good? Alright, moving on. I'm going to put this on the grill. Now it's colder than a witch's outside, so I'm not going to show you the grill. We put it on at 250 degrees, running cherry pellets, until it reached an internal of 180 degrees. Why 180? Because it won't take any more smoke, and it's about to hit that stall, so we need to get her wrapped up. For the wrap, we're going to put her in a half pan and just douse her down with some of this Killer Hogs vinegar sauce. That's it. Get your thermometer back out. Set it for 201 degrees because that's perfect for pulled pork. Insert that probe, cover her up, and stick her back out on that grill for about another 2 hours until it reaches that 201 degree target. So that's about a 9-hour cook on a 10-pound pork butt, and it was pretty simple. We didn't spritz, we didn't do nothing. Just to show you it's at 201, there you go. Let's let just a little bit of that steam out and show y'all that the color for just salt and pepper is pretty legit. We're going to have to rest her, so let's get a little of that jus on top. I'm going to show you just how tender it is before we let her rest. It's like butter. Cover it back up. Grab your poor man's Cambro. If you don't have one, you can always order through the links below. It helps me out. Maybe get me a beach house here in about 40-45 years. Well, that's resting for about 2 hours. Let's make us up a little finishing rub. That's going to be 2 parts Mojo Barbecue to 1 part Simply Marvelous Spicy Apple. Get her ground up into powder form. That way you won't have any grit. And give her a taste. Let me tell you what, this here would make a good finishing rub for any kind of competition meat. Moving on, let's wrap this up. Not the butt, because we're done wrapped everything up. Let's just wrap up the video. Let's douse her down one more time with that jus to make her pretty, because I need a thumbnail, because I figure I won't get any pictures made, because the way this smells, I got to dig in. Pull out that internal thermometer that most butts have. It'd come out clean. Check out this money muscle here. Look at the smoke ring. Look at the moisture. Look how tender it is. Man, I might done even this old stringy white meat from the backside of the butt. It's even moist and tender. And my favorite part is the tube. Now, I've took about as long as I can without tasting it, so I'm gonna throw a chunk in my mouth. Man, that's good. I even do a little dance for you. And alrighty, we got to get that bark out, and you can't tell me that bark does not have an awesome color. Mighty tender too. And the taste, hey, it's hard to beat that good salt and pepper flavor. Plus, barbecue rub is high, so we'll just add that to the end when you get it all pulled apart. And I always pull the junk out of that butt when you pull it. It'll make you stand out from all the other barbecue cooks out there. And when I say junk, I mean sinew and excess fat and all that. We're going to hit it. A little bit of that finish rub and a taste. And that spice, that smokiness, that's just a good daggum finishing rub. Hit it as much as you want. Do you like the flavor? Pour in a little more of that jus. Let's get her all formed up here. Coated one more time. Just to show you I love you. I made you a heart. Aren't I so sweet? That's it. I'm gonna take a little piece of my heart right here, baby, and eat it. I think that's it. I can't make it any more simpler. This is a no-fail, guaranteed pork butt. Mojo is out.